Okay, gardeners, it's Tuesday morning, and as you can see here, I put the 90% shade cloth on the outside of the greenhouse, and I put more over here, and I left some sun to come through, because I could put some more pieces, but I want it to be like filter sun. And as you can see, my seedlings are all doing well. They've been out here, 3 days now? It was real cloudy and raining, and now we've got a beautiful sunshiny day. So I want to cover them up some. And if I have to, I'll put more shade cloth there and there. But I think this filter sun at the top would be enough to let these seedlings get acclimated. And you can see we have the fan there. Okay, it's currently 69 degrees. Temperatures are expected to be in the 60s and 70s for the next few weeks during the day, and at night it's supposed to be in the 40s and 50s. Okay, guys, I got all of the seedlings out to the greenhouse. And as you can see, I have the front panel of the greenhouse off. I had to remove it because it was 105 degrees in here and it needed more ventilation. And you can see here, I put a 50% shade cloth in this area where I have some seedlings. This way, you don't have to harden off or acclimate your seedlings to the outside environment by putting them in direct sun for a few minutes and each day increasing it. This way you can leave them like that for the whole day. I did this last year to harden all of my seedlings off, and eventually you'll just have to remove the shade cloths. Okay, have a great day, everybody. Bye now.